Hello everyone, I am bored today within only one battery. I am not strong enough, so I'm going to unbox this dumbbell, this one. So I'm gonna I'll find something. Wait, where is it gonna use?
Everywhere I go, my shadow follows behind. Doesn't matter where I travel.
I think
Something that I've come to realize after all this time.
there it
I
is.
can't escape my shadow. I can't escape my shadow.
It's coming.
Never let me go.
Oh, there. Look, I did it.
Everywhere I go.
If you have a dumbbell, you can buy like what's your favorite color. I don't know where my mom bought this. Simple lang. I'll just put it inside the scissors. Oh guys, I'll just use this ruler. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my goodness,
With
it's
Amazon Music
working.
Unlimited, enjoy ad-free listening of 70 million songs on your Echo device. New subscribers get 30 days free. Renews automatically for only $3.99 per month. Cancel anytime. Just ask Alexa. Try Amazon Music Unlimited.
This. Come on, it's not working. Oh, I think it worked. I did it. Look at that. Can you see it? Wait. Can you see it? Got it.
Try to play it cool.
There.
I like you.
Let's see.
Have me in your head. Just like
I'm
that.
unboxing it.
Wish I never told ya. It's killing me to wonder. You give me
Oh my god.
You're an honest man. Wish I never asked you.
Oh my goodness.
Killing me to
Oh my goodness. That's cool. Mom bought this for me. And my brothers. Look what's more. Wait, I did it. Oh, there it is. There's it, guys. That smells good. It smells like marble. It smells like marble, man.
Now my friends, they don't tell the truth. They
Smells
like you.
It smells good.
I never told you.
If you bought this, I think this is because I live in the Philippines. If you're in the Philippines and if you're a Filipino, you can speak Tagalog like this. What are you doing? In Tagalog means, ano ginagawa mo? See? Learn more. Go to YouTube. Subscribe now. I keep my exercise now. See? Goodbye, everyone. This is only 1 minute. Goodbye.